Irn Bru glass. Guess what we're gonna do?
Down it.
The whole thing?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna down the whole thing apparently. It's a pretty big glass. You sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, cheers. I did the thing.
Oh, that one surprised me.
Robert. Bitch man.
I keep burping outside my mouth, outside my mouth, it's habit. Irn Bru just came out my nose. That hurt.
Steph. It's starting to build up in other places, Stephanie.
You need to fart.
Yes.
That was such an anticlimax. You look so really sick. Oh.
Oh my god, to see!
ABC.
Did you hear the D?
No.
That was an Irn Bru bubbly burp. Oh, see the sugar.
Yeah.
Wait, there's more. Oh, just threw up a little in my mouth. If you shake it up, maybe more
What,
gas
inside?
out.
Oh, actually, it's working. I think we should try to sell us to bars, an advertisement for Irn Bru. Unlucky. You're gonna end up being sick.
I think I got faint. I don't feel so good.
It's all here. Oh, press it, it makes you burp.
Look, yes. Oh my god, don't. Orange.
I remember I drank a 3-litre bottle of cherry Lamborghini, threw up red and thought I was internally bleeding.
Oh. Okay, continue.
That's a story.
Eh.
It's not just there. It was Nikki. See? Yeah, we're making a YouTube video.
Oh, great.
We're having a burping competition.
I really gotta get through.
We thought you might want to join in.
No, not really.
You're boring. And we're sober.
Really?
Yeah. We'll phone you once we finish.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Did you hear that? Okay, bye.
Bye. I feel like I'm gonna have a child.
It'll be Ginger.
So, who do you think won? Okay, so that's it. For fuck's sake. We went bloody. Oh. Oh my god, it was a magic trick. It seemed so much funnier at the time.